And first of all, let me say this. You should have a stop loss in there already. You don't need to try and sit there to hit the buy button to get out of the market. I'm here to tell you that if most people are not very excited about taking losses, they don't like taking losses. So if all of a sudden you've got one side of this just really spiking up, you will hesitate to hit the buy button. If you're like the majority of people. So you need to have a stop loss out there. That way, again, you can control everything. But I really don't think that you need to have this window up at all, simply because you can control the trade. Let me close this. You can control the trade down here. Okay, so you have your position. Now let me go here. Oh shoot, hit the wrong button. Okay, so sorry about that. So here I've got the US dollar Swiss up. And I'll hit the end key and we'll just go ahead and enter this in as if we were placing a new order now. Stop loss, that's 102.036. Oops. $51. Take profit. Whoa. There we go. Okay, so we'll sell that one. Alright, now I've got both of these in. And again, you can see on the chart, here's the sell order itself, here's the stop loss, here's the take profit. So I can manage these trades from the bottom window here. And if you don't have this bottom window here, you're going to want to click on the view menu, and then you see this terminal. You want to click on this terminal menu item. You can also press the control button and then T, like tango, and that'll bring up the terminal window, and you'll have a trade, account history, news, alerts, mailbox, journal. All that will be down at the bottom of your screen. Now, one of the questions I had was, what about taking profits? And I can see this video is going a little bit too long to catch this particular announcement. So I'm going to pause this so I can set up my own trades. Okay, I just wanted to place my trades in my other trading application. So here's how these two trades could be managed from the screen. And the question was, if I don't have a target price, how can I close the position out? Or how can, okay, there we go, retail sales just came out. Let me go ahead and look at the pound. As you can see here, the pound's moving up a little bit.
Your deal is confirmed.
And on my other application, just got stopped out on the pound, because you can see the pound pushed up, and now here we have the Swiss starting to move down. And you can see here, okay, the pound got stopped out. Switch over to that again. You can see here just on the spike, it was a very, very fast move up. I think I closed my, yeah, shoot, I closed my news application so I can't see it. That's what I get for trying to shoot this video right before. Okay, so we'll just track this. I mean, you can see the Swiss moving down. So let's just continue. So if for example I were looking to take profits early, and I'm going to have to wait for this broker to kind of catch up here. Yeah, so we've got import prices. And what I'm looking for on the retail sales, the forecast is 0.2. I'm looking for the extreme move or surprise level is a 0.6 difference. And based on, let me go ahead and look at the pound again. I just don't like opening up programs and messing around when I've got a trade going. Based on what the pound is doing, I'd have to say it came pretty close to 0.6. Probably was a bit of a surprise, so I'm just going to continue to monitor the Swiss here, expecting it to come down. So what area am I concerned with? Let me try and get back into the flow. The question was, what if I want to get out of one side of the trade early?